Hey guys, nice to meet you after a long time. If you have wondered you suck at application of derivatives in class 12, don't afraid of it. I also feel the same. After reading and getting some concepts, I thought it would be more fun. And I'll be teaching you some of the concepts. And there is two concepts. If the interval is given, if the interval is given, if you wanted to find whether it is increasing or decreasing, interval is given in the sense 0, pi by 2, some in the radian format. If it is given, this is the first format. If it is given, if you want to find the increasing and decreasing in the interval, something like I will give x and y, and these both x and y should be a radian. Then the following rules or law will be applicable. If for strictly increasing function, for f of a, f of x should be less than f of y. This is the law, and a should be less than b, and these both will be on something like a relation or something. And this is the concept for it. For example, if you want f of x, okay, let me give all those law. If you want to find for strictly decreasing, f dash of x should be greater than f dash of y, and a should be less than 4. I had a mistake. It should be, instead of a, it should be yeah, it shouldn't be a, it should be like x should be less than y. For increasing, not strictly increasing, f is greater than x less than or equals to f dash of y. And same, if only decreasing, f dash of x should be greater than or equals to f dash of y. Same, ditto sign. And if the graph looks like something like this, like a bucket, and this is int increasing, decreasing, or in strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. So it's not a case. If suppose if the problem set asks you like the function is f dash of in those cases, in increasing and decreasing or strictly increasing, the graph might be for strictly increasing, the graph will be a straight line, right? Similarly for strictly decreasing, but in case of increasing decreasing, it will be something like this. There's a progress chart. So there isn't a value of x and y, there may be value x, y, z, etc. That's why I'm telling for neither increasing or decreasing, it will be like f of x is greater than f dash of y, and f dash of f dash of y is less than f dash of z. This is the function. Let me give you an example. The example is sin x. Show that uh, y is equals to sin x is decreasing. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Decreasing in pi by 2 comma pi. This is the question. What this is the formula we'll be using. Decreasing, right? it isn't strictly decreasing, it's just decreasing. So f dash of a should be greater than or equals to f dash of b. A and b, these both. We know that sine pi by 2 is 0 and sine pi is, oh fuck, sine pi by 2 is 1 and sine pi is 0. This side is pi, and this is the answer. Another thing is, if the if those values are given in the radian format, this is applicable. If the increasing and decreasing using derivatives, there is a formula. If f dash of x is greater than 0, then this is increasing. Okay, and this is increasing, and if while doing f dash of x is equal to 0, you will get um, somewhat like two values, and the interval will be given by the problem setters. Wait a minute, I will give you an example. The interval will be given, and those values with the x you got, you should make a number line. You should make a number line like this: x, y, and z if you get, and pick a number between these and check whether it is increasing or decreasing. How to check this? You should apply this number in f double dash of x. While applying f double dash of x, if it is less than 0, then it is strictly increasing or like maximum value. Else it is decreasing, decreasing. That's what I'm going to tell. Yeah. If you want an example, the interval which y is equals to x to the power of e minus x. Guess whether it is increasing or decreasing. Oh, it's increasing. The interval in which this value is increasing. The options are given: minus infinity comma infinity. The option B is minus 2 comma 0. Oh, wait a minute. Minus 2 comma 0, and the next one, option C, is the option C is 0 comma 2, and option D is infinity comma e. You should always remember that e power minus x is always a positive number. If you differentiate it, you will end up by there's in space. I forgot how to like increase the space. I know for how to do it for one node, but I forgot. Okay, this is the question. Let me take a screen share. Okay, this is the question. Okay, this is the question. Where is it? Let's paste it over here. Okay. Okay, this is here. Okay, this is the question, right? Okay, this is the question. And for this is we want to form and we want to find the derivative dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to you will, for this you will be end up being like I will just give you a short form. You will you work out x power e power minus x power e power minus x into x minus 2. You will get 2 minus x. This is what the answer you will get after differentiating this value by applying UV rule. As everybody knows, UV rule is to UV plus V dash U or something like alternating of this. Never mind, that doesn't matter. And you'll get like this. And if you substitute this, you'll get x value 0, 2, 0 and 2. And the question is given 0 and 2. These are the values of x you will get. For this, you will plot a number line 0, 2. This is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. The interval we will be checking is minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 2 and 2 comma infinity. These are the interval we should check whether by applying it in f double dash of x whether it is increasing or decreasing. Oh, we should apply f dash of x. If you want to find the maximum value, then you should find it in double dash of x, and if it is less than 0, you should apply in f of x and find the value.